games. Tonight, before we start, we will open up the stage for excitement. We've got best versus the best. For our first act tonight, let me give you a not-so-subtle hint. The first performer is a powerhouse of talent, and he loves to call himself everybody's hero. Have you guessed that, Mumbai? भाई तुम्हारा ध्यान किधर है? तुम्हारा हीरो तो इधर है. Heartthrob of millions, give it up for Varun Dhawan.
Hero, so you think you can dance? Now you watch me.
Ladies and gentlemen, the king of dance, superstar Prabhu Deva.
आज मेरा जागरण
देवा, राजा कोई सौंदर्य साबुन की टिकिया नहीं है जो तू धो धो के घस घस के फेंक डाले।
Whoa! 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 The Muqabla has already begun. Mumbai, was it Varun Dhawan? Was it Varun Dhawan, Mumbai? Oh, I think all the Chennai fans are saying possibly it was Prabhudeva. It doesn't matter. You guys won it all. What a top-drawer performance. But Varun, I'm sorry, I'm going to alter your song a bit. Tan tanatan tan tan tara. Aaj se chalega 8 se 11. So start of the VIVO IPL 2018, just getting started, this opening ceremony. It's an incredible tournament because in India, everything revolves around cricket over these next month and a half, 51 odd days, because it's an emotion here. But despite all that fierce competition, all that rivalry, it's very important that the spirit of the game is kept intact. All the 8 captains of the VIVO IPL franchisees have taken a pledge to make sure that the spirit of the game remains intact. Have a look.
I hereby take the pledge to play hard, play fair.
I'm committed to play by the rules of the game.
I shall respect all captains, my teammates, and all my opponents.
I shall respect the umpires and the game's traditional values.
In victory or defeat, I shall accept all the decisions by the officials with dignity.
I shall lead the way by upholding the ideals of fair play.
I shall play to enjoy the game and look to inspire the next generation.
I promise to uphold at all times the spirit of the great game of cricket.
The 8 captains also signed the Tata Nexon car, which will be auctioned, and the proceeds will be donated to the Tata Trust Cancer Care to help create cancer awareness at ground level for early detection. That's a wonderful, noble cause, but Mumbai, now get ready to join me in welcoming on stage the most successful captain from the first decade of the VIVO IPL. 3 titles to his name, to the name of the team that he's played for, the team that he captains. Mumbai, join me in welcoming your very own captain, Rohit Sharma. There comes the defending champion captain with the trophy that 8 teams will be fighting for over the next 51 days. He's put the trophy back into play. I'm sure it's not hesitation, but it's optimism that he can lift it from this very venue come the 27th of May. Rohit, good evening. You've put it down. I can still see the smile on your face. 3 titles for Mumbai Indians in the first 10 years. We're starting off the 11th edition. What's in store for the Mumbai fans?
Hello, Mumbai. All the 3 titles that we won, it was for this wonderful crowd who came and supported us over the years. And this year won't be different. It will be the same. We will try and again, try our best to get this cup back. But we all know it's not going to be that easy. There is a lot of hard work and the things that you have to do over the course of 40-45 days, and we are prepared as a team. So tonight is going to be a very exciting game. Everyone's looking forward to it. So yes, looking forward to start this tournament on a good note.
Thank you so much, Rohit. Look forward to seeing you on the field later. Ladies and gentlemen, Rohit Sharma. He's laid down the gauntlet, but now तमन्ना तो बाकी 7 कप्तानों की भी यही होगी कि 27 मई को ये ट्रॉफी उठाएं. But first and foremost, the tamanna, or rather expectations of all the fans who've turned up here and the millions who are watching on the TV sets. The next performer who's coming up on stage, she's a rage down south, she's a rage up north, actually in all directions if you ask me, from Himmatwala to Bahubali. She looks like a dream and she's got moves to mesmerize you all. Put your hands together for Tamanna Bhatia.
Gali gali teri lahat jalli, jiyo re Bahubali. Gali gali teri lahat jalli, jiyo re Bahubali.
कसकाय मुंबई, तमन्ना पूरी हुई? अभी पूरी नहीं हुई भाई, अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है. Next performer is someone who should quickly go and file a patent for the word swag. Should I give you more hints? Well, if you haven't really danced to Jumme Ki Raat Hai, and hubba. Till now, what have you guys been up to? But don't worry, this is your chance, because coming up on stage, the king of groove, Mika Singh.
रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर बली दा बेला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी शाबाज कलंदर हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा दमादम मस्त कलंदर बलीदा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर सखी शाबाज कलंदर ओ लाल मेरी है लाल मेरी
जुम्मे की रात नहीं, Saturday night से ही, चेन्नई नहीं, मुंबई से ही. Can we have some whistle bodu for Mika Singh? Well, that was Mika Singh, but we're not done yet. The next performer who's coming up on stage actually is a lot like the VIVO IPL, where players from around the world come together and celebrate this festival. This Sri Lankan damsel too has made her mark in Bollywood. No prizes for guessing. Jacqueline Fernandez, the stage is all yours. Well, stunning artist, stunning performance. Jacqueline finished there with a countdown. Mumbai, are you ready for a last ball finish? Wankhede, are you once again ready for someone to come out and finish it off in style? Don't get so excited. We know MS is in the house, but he's not coming up next. But the next artist too has got moves that only he can operate with. He's got finesse, he's got charm, a few things that only he can do. Put your hands together for the final act of tonight, Hrithik Roshan!
Give me an R, give me an I, give me a T, give me an H, give me an I, give me a K. Hrithik!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back, Prabhu Deva, Varun Dhawan, Tamanna, Jacqueline Fernandez and Mika Singh.